Google's Nano Banana AI image generation is awesome. You can even make YouTube thumbnails with it, etc., etc. But one of the annoying things is even on a paid plan, whenever you download an image like this one here, we end up getting the Gemini watermark right there. Now, not really that big of a deal, except it kind of takes away from the image. So let me show you how to remove that very quick, very easy, and for free and an unlimited number of times. All you need to do is open up Chrome, then head over to the Chrome web store and just search for Peel Banana. Download and install this extension. You'll see it right up here. Then you just click that right there. Now watch this. This is super easy, super simple. I'll click on the extension, open up Peel Banana, and all I have to do is drop the image right there. I can even drop several images at the same time. So watch this here. We'll just grab the image that has again, the watermark on it. Grab it, drop it right here, scroll down, choose Peel All. Just takes a second. We choose download, and we get that new version right here. You can see it says peeled. Open it up and look at that. Watermark is now 100% gone. That quick, that easy, folks. 100% free extension, Peel Banana from Somi.ai. And look at that. It looks so much better without that annoying, distracting watermark. So then you're free to use your image to create your composition without, again, that annoying watermark that Gemini always leaves behind. And again, it can even do batch removal. So if you have multiple Gemini photos, Nano Banana photos that you need peeled, you can grab multiples, throw them all in, do it all at once, that quick, that easy, download all, boom. There they are, right in this peeled image folder. Extract all of those. Look at that. All three of our images, real quick, real easy, using this free extension, 100% free extension for Chrome, Peel Banana. Go check it out.